at the farm today. Laugh and roll and play all day. Jump and bounce and crack, oh my. Colorful eggs under the sky. Red egg, what do you say? I'm so happy I'll crack today. Crack, 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 what's inside? A red duck pops out with pride. Blue egg rolling near. Crack me open, look right here. Crack, 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 hip hooray. A blue duck splashes and swims away. Yellow egg, shining bright. Cracks in the morning light so bright. Crack, 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 what's that sound? A yellow duck waddling round and round. Green egg by the tree. Crack it open, 1, 2, 3. Crack, 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 oh what fun. A green duck quacks and starts to run. Purple egg, soft and round, rolling gently on the ground. Crack, 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 hooray, hooray. A purple duck flaps and flies away. Orange egg, bright and sweet, rolling by the farmer's feet. Crack, 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 what a show. An orange duck quacks, hello, hello. Crack and laugh, what a sight. Eggs of colors, pure delight. Red, blue, yellow, green and more. Happy ducks we all adore. Oh no, what a sight. The eggs fell down with all their might. Don't you worry, don't you cry. Let's fix them up, give it a try. Daddy egg, red and round, fell and rolled along the ground. Crash, oh no, it broke in 3. Let's fix it up, 1, 2, 3. Patch it here, patch it there. Now it's perfect, smooth and fair. Mummy egg so shiny blue. Oops, it cracked in pieces 5. Oh boo, stick, stick, glue so neat. Fixing eggs is such a treat. Patch it here, patch it there. Now it's pretty everywhere. Brother egg, bright and yellow, fell down bump. Oh poor fellow, broke in 7 bits so dear. Let's count them loud, nice and clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, done. Now he's shining in the sun. Sister egg, green and sweet, dropped and rolled under the seat. Crack, oh no, in 8 it split. Let's fix together bit by bit. Patch it here, patch it tight. Green egg's ready, looking right. Little egg so purple bright, bounced and cracked, what a fright. Broken 9, oh my, let's count and fix them, give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hooray! Little egg is new to 8A. Daddy egg fix 1, 2, 3. Mummy egg so proud you see. Brother, sister, little too, all fixed up, good as new. Fix it, patch it, 1 by 1. Egg repair is so much fun. Stick, stick, glue and spin. Now the eggs are whole again. Round and shiny, colors bright. Egg family's feeling right.
The wheels on the police car go round and blue, round and blue, round and blue. The wheels on the police car go round and blue, all around the town. The wheels on the fire truck go round and red, round and red, round and red. The wheels on the fire truck go round and red, zooming down the street. The wheels on the dump truck go round and orange, round and orange, round and orange. The wheels on the dump truck go round and orange, working all day long. The wheels on the school bus go round and wheels go round and colors show. Let's all sing and clap along. Colors and cars make a happy song.
Damien rides the train through a tunnel lane. Lights go dark, then bright again. What is this? A mountain plain. Big volcano rumble low. Chocolate starts to bubble. Woo! Up it goes, a yummy stream. Chocolate rain, it's like a dream. Pink volcano starts to shake. Strawberry juice begins to wake. Boom it goes, splash in the sky. Strawberry sprinkles flying by. Orange mountain starts to hum. Juicy rivers start to come. Swoosh it flows and sprays so wide. Orange juice on every side. Volcanoes big, volcanoes tall. Some go boom and some just fall. These are fun and full of cheer. Magic treats are flying near. Train goes on, it's time to go. Wave into the juicy flow.